Hey, you. Yes, you. Do you want to be better at slow speed manoeuvrability on your motorcycle? Well, most people do. And I'm going to show you how in a free professional online training course. We've all seen the videos of those motorcycle cops wrangling those big Harleys around witches' hats and wondered how the hell do they do it? I mean, we don't want to be that good, but you probably just want to look cool pulling up to the cafe or not dumping your bike while performing a basic U-turn. Well, it's actually not that difficult to do, even on big bikes, once you know how to do it. And I'm going to show you how for free. It's what I call the rear brake and steer technique, and that should give you a bit of an idea on how it's done. Now let's be honest, it's not a skill that you're going to learn in a 5-minute YouTube video, and anyone who thinks you can is dreaming. It's also going to take a bit of practice, but if you really want to learn, I'm happy to show you in my new free online course. Yep, that's right, 100% free. No credit cards needed, no signing up to an ongoing subscription that you'll forget to cancel for 12 months. Just make a quick account with a dodgy email address if you want and get started. And if you've never done an online course before, it's a pretty cool experience. I mean, all the work is done for you. So here's a chance to give one a go on a subject matter that's of interest to you, absolutely free. You'll get a relatively short course of just over 35 minutes, made up of 6 lessons that explain step by step how to achieve slow speed greatness. There's a free PDF download with the drills that you'll need to practice and QR code links to the videos so you can re-watch them on your phone while practicing. The course views like a motovlog of one of my favourite riding roads, the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, Australia. There's either an Australian UK version or a US Canada one, so you don't get freaked out like I do watching from the wrong side of the road. And the best part about it is you don't have to look at my ugly face because I'm anonymous. Why? Because the training's not about me. I've done everything I've ever wanted to do on bikes plus some. It's about you being the best rider you can be. You can go at your own pace and rewatch any of the information again and again. And I'm even happy to answer any questions you may have about the techniques. Just email me. Just click the link in the information below, click on all courses, choose the version that's appropriate for your country and sign in. It's that easy. And again, it's totally 100% free. What have you got to lose? You can also click the link below that to cyberstalk me and find out more about my training concepts and read a sample of my new book on better, safer, faster riding. If you really want to up your riding game, it's certainly worth a look. Thanks for taking the time to hear me out, and I look forward to hearing your feedback on the course. Oh, and make sure you hit the subscribe button on the right. I'm sure I'll have some more free stuff coming.